Okay, here's the lightning bugs. They're like all over, and they're quite lovely. Hello, David. Hello, Scott. I think, oh, did you see them? They're like all over the yard. They're lightning bugs or fireflies. But can you see them? There you go. They're like all over. I can see them really well, but it's hard on camera. There's Puddin'. You can say hi? Hi, Puddin'. I think it's the really bright ones you can see on camera. Okay, since I'm filming this, look at that moon. Is that not like... I don't know what I did. Oh, is that not like the greatest moon? That is the coolest moon. I don't know how I did what I just did. But that is the coolest. Let me see. Okay, I zoomed in and now I don't know how to zoom out. I wanted to show you the moon, which I think is pretty amazing. But now it's not letting me zoom back out. But the fireflies, can you see the they're like little specks of light? There they are, see them? Oh, they're like everywhere. They're little lightning bugs. I don't know how I did that, but isn't that the coolest thing? I think you can only see the bright lightning bugs because I'm washing a pillow on the clothesline. But they're all over. I mean, there's like, I'm thinking 50, maybe even 100. They're just like all over. And they are so pretty. Yep, and I'm filming this outside so you can see them. Let me see if there's any this way. I don't see as many. If I happen to scream or run, it's not... Oh my gosh, they're like super active right now. see it? They are like twinkling up a storm. I hope you guys can see this. Lightning bugs. I don't know. I just think they're really amazing. I can't even count them. There's that many. Every time I move in the yard, more show up. Is that not like the coolest thing? They're just flying about. I don't know, I just think they're so pretty. They're just like everywhere. See? See them around the Suburban? They're just like everywhere. Oh my God, I love them. Look at the lightning bugs. Sorry, I'm killing mosquitoes. It sounds like somebody's doing some fireworks. The first star. Starlight, star bright, the first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might, wish the wish I wish tonight. I wish I would get better. That's what I wish. All right. I think it's pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna let you go. Have a wonderful day. I'm gonna go finish watching the lightning bugs. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Oh, there's some right there. Oh, right here. All right, I'll leave you with this image of the moon. I'll leave you with that image of the moon. In the first star. Have a wonderful day, evening, everyone. Bye.